Alright. Let's do this right. Let's do this proper. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. It's your boy, IshhTheKidd. Yo, yo, yo. It's your boy, IshhTheKidd. Back at it again. Another video. This time, I'm getting into with this car shit now. I'm gonna show you what I mean. So, I got this car not too long ago, you know, 2013 Altima. I'm gonna cut to some pictures right now. This shorty. Yeah, as you can see, her name is Shadow. I'm about to do a few things to her. First thing I'm gonna do, I gotta do a little paint correction. She got a few scratches on her, a little too much few scratches. I'm gonna do little scratches. All the cosmetics and all that shit. What am I saying? All the cosmetics and all that shit's gonna come after, but first things foremost, we have a problem. The check engine light is on. You know these shits got this CVT transmission, these fucking Altimas. I don't even know why I fucking got this Altima. I should have got a beam like these niggas been trying to fucking convince me to get the whole time. I should have got the fucking beam. Anyway, let me show y'all what's going on. When I get to the car, I'm gonna explain it to y'all better. I'm gonna show y'all the problem. But yeah, this is the intro, new type of content, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to bring y'all in, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all the journey, what I'm trying to do with the Altima. You feel me? What I'm trying to do with Shadow. I'm gonna introduce y'all to Shadow and show y'all my card on Amazon right now. Ordering about fucking $120 worth of fucking transmission fluid, and I gotta change the transmission filter, and I'm gonna do some other things too, and I gotta change the mass airflow. I was gonna get a new mass airflow sensor, but before I do that, I'm gonna fucking buy the fucking before I buy a whole new mass airflow sensor, I'm gonna just go and see if I can get a little cleaner, see if I can clean it. If cleaning it'll work, save myself a buck and gain some experience. It's all about experience too. At the end of the day, this life is an experience. Might as well have a good one. Who would have thought me would have been a hand in the hood nigga? Might be a hand in the hood nigga, man. Shit crazy what this life turned you to, man. Now I'm about to be a mechanic. Hopefully everything go Gucci. I'm about to order this shit and let's get this project started. I'm about to start up. I'm about to clean the mass flow air sensor. I'm gonna see the filter. The mass air filter, I think, too. Let's see. As you can see, this thing needed like a clean up. Battery looking decent. That's the filter thing that we're focusing on. I gotta look inside of that, change the filter in that. I'm gonna check for the oil right now. See what it's hitting for. Show y'all that first test first. Look how it's looking. I don't like how that's looking. This thing got oil though. And I told y'all I don't do this, so I don't want to hit nothing on my gloves. So this is the mass airflow thing here. And that thing in the corner there is the sensor thing that's reading wrong on the thing. I gotta show y'all the reading too. Let's get this filter out. Yeah, this side is kind of dirty. This side is mad dirty. Let's see if I can get a new one. Alright, I just wanted to show y'all real quick. So, it says turn the ignition on. Ignition gets turned on. Press on the key to continue. Press the key. See, it says one code or whatever. And it says these two things. I don't know what, one says engine, one says A/T. I'm not too sure what A/T means. I know what the engine is though. Press enter on engine, read codes, trouble codes, stored codes, 101, mass volume airflow sensor, 1 of 1, right? And then I press exit. I press exit, it comes back again, right? I don't know why it does that, but then 8. And then I go to this one here. I press enter, read codes, stored codes, no codes are stored in this module. That's what I'm thinking. This module might just not read the code, because my son Mario had fucking read this shit on his shit and it was reading something different. So I'm gonna fix this shit and go to Mario shit and see what's going on. Let's get back outside, let's get back in the hood. And we are back. We already got the new mass airflow sensor, as you can see. This thing has leaves on it, all kind of shit. See what's in here, see if we can clean some stuff out of here. Leaves in here. Plastic in here. Even like this. Yeah, like this. So that's that part. Alright guys, IshhTheKidd TV. Welcome back, welcome back. Right now we about to take out the mass airflow sensor. You know what I'm saying? Let me show you guys. This is the mass airflow sensor right here. I'm going to take this out, and then that's going to take out the whole airflow sensor. This right here is the connector. You're going to have to disconnect this. I'm going to disconnect this first, then I'm going to pull this out and I'm going to show you guys, and then we're going to clean it. Some people replace it, you know what I'm saying, but we're not going to replace it right now. We're going to clean it. We're going to see if the cleaner should work, and if the cleaner shit don't work, I'm just hoping the cleaner should work. For real. Hold on to this shit. I was gonna put down this, but I was able to do it with one hand. We're gonna put that down, we're gonna lift that down, we're gonna put that around. There's 2 screws, we're gonna screw out this first screw here. Brother, I'm gonna start the video back when shit start going right. We got one. And that's the second one. And put that to the side. I'm just gonna pull this bad boy right up out of here. Alright. As you guys can see, might be a little, excuse my nails too, man. Cut my nails. They might be a little dusty. Something like it might be broken off in there. Look on the inside. One of them is broken off. This last one here, as you can see, you can really see it when I turn it to the side like this. If that's not supposed to be like that, then we found the issue. But in this video, we're gonna continue to just hit it with a clean. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna clean it. Hold on. Alright guys, so what we have here is the mass airflow sensor. But right here we have what we call mass airflow sensor cleaner. Hopefully it's flipped. I don't know how to flip it, but mass airflow sensor cleaner. I'm gonna show you how to use it. Get it from AutoZone and all in places. First thing, let it dry. Then hit it with the full pressure. And the hose. And then you should be good. Put it somewhere to air dry. You don't need to wipe it off or anything like that. This thing does it by itself. You can put it somewhere, let it air dry, somewhere clean. It's a nice piece of Bounty to put it on. And put it on top of this, my mom's car right here. Let that air dry. They said 30 minutes, but it got on my hand a little bit and it's already turning ashy. I swear that's not my ash. So I'm gonna give this about 5 minutes or maybe 10 minutes. I'm gonna clean out the inside of my car. And I'm gonna come back to this and put it back in. So I'll be back. I'd probably say I gave this like 12 minutes. I'd probably get like 20 minutes, man. Cause it's not dry. I mean, it's not wet. You feel what I'm saying? Hey, look. It's not wet at all. It's just, you know what I'm saying? You got a little moist. You know what I'm saying? It's not moist, but it's just in here. I don't want to take no chance. I'm just gonna give it a little 2 more minutes, man. I'm just gonna 2 more minutes. Put that shit in there. Shit should slide. If it doesn't fit, you won't let you screw it back in. And that's how you do that. Matter of fact, let me close the trunk on me. Folks, and that's how you do it. Alright, so first turn on after changing the mass airflow sensor. Not changing. Cleaning the mass airflow sensor and changing the airflow filter. Let's see what happens. Check engine light is still on right after doing it. I'm gonna do a few more things. Yeah. Next video I'm going to next video you're gonna see me do a chrome delete. I'm gonna chrome delete the car, and I'm going to have the oil, the transmission oil fluid swapped out, and I'm gonna have the filter changed as well. And we're gonna see if that does anything at all. Until then, appreciate y'all and thanks for joining me on my new car journey. And as you can see, I'm hands-on. I'm about to order a new steering wheel too. I'm about to put in these lights. I'm about to take care of everything. Piece by piece, bit by bit. I'll let y'all know before I do it. So all these things are on my mind. You know what I'm saying? I'm out of here though. I'm gonna catch y'all niggas later. This is Shadow. This car's name is Shadow, and this is Shadow. Shadow stays in the car. Shadow used to hang up here like an ornament, but Shadow, you know what I mean, blocks me from seeing incoming traffic. So this is Shadow. Shadow, say peace out. Everybody, thanks for tuning in. And we out here.